Hi, love. Har's eating her breakfast. Our table has not arrived yet.
We're so poor.
We are so poor. We don't have chairs or tables.
Everything.
No, we have ordered. It's arriving on September the 2nd, right?
Yeah.
Then she won't have to climb up and sit on the counter to eat her breakfast. Alright, let's go out here and take a look. Still got water flowing. But it's not yet filled the entire bottom yet. It's right here right now. We got that much left, it's dry. And then down here, we're almost up one tile. It's almost a foot. Still looks yellowish. But at least there's no sand in the pool, in this water. Not sure. But anyway, that's the progress so far. Our niece came today, and she wouldn't wait for the pool to fill up. She says it's nice just cooling herself off. I think this pool's going to take at least 4 days to fill up. You having fun? Yeah. Right.
Even it's tired.
What are you doing?
Cleaning.
Always cleaning. Always cleaning.
I did not finish it. Always cleaning every
Day.
day.
I know. You work too hard.
I have blisters.
You have blisters.
Wounds.
Wounds. Appalong Brewery, having a good time. Another day here at the house. We haven't done hardly anything. Had to stop filling the pool because we've got to get this light situation figured out here for the small area of the pool, for the sitting area. But Har's out there with a little net, having a little bit of fun. Her niece was here and swam around in the pool for a little while yesterday and had a good time. All right, we'll video some more later. Another ladies are still pulling weeds, even in the rain. It's looking good though. It's been a rainy few days here. The plants are really liking it. Little bougainvillea is flowering out, looks really good. And the yard looks really good back here. But my banana tree didn't make it. I'm gonna have to try to plant another one. Without the drainage system and the road being paved, this becomes a mess after a heavy rain. And yes, we took turns shoveling, guys. Good morning. Watch a little YouTube from Mindanao this morning. And Har and I are gonna go down to our favorite breakfast place. I think we're gonna go down to Gabby's. And as you can see outside, nothing has changed on the pool. We're still waiting to seal off all the old wires there for the lights down at that end. The lights are not available here in the Philippines and not available on the internet, so we're doing away with them. Look at how beautiful you look. You ready to go to breakfast?
Yes.
All right, where are we going?
Daddy's.
Gabby's, down in Dumaguete. So we'll see you there, guys. All right, we're here at Gabby's.
Yeah, we're eating breakfast.
This is our favorite breakfast place, Dumaguete. It's good. She got tocino. Tocino?
Tapsilog.
Oh, tapsilog. She got tapsilog, scrambled eggs, rice, and papaya.
This is achara.
What is it?
Achara in Bisaya.
Achara. What's it made from?
Papaya and vinegar.
Papaya and vinegar. It's kind of like a sauerkraut.
Yes. And this is.
And I got French toast, but mine's not here yet. Well, guys, we're here at the mall in Dumaguete. We're trying to get Wi-Fi to the house.
Yes.
And nobody has fiber optic to the house on our road. So we're going to try a couple of different places. PLDT Smart.
Yeah.
And maybe Dito.
Well, if their Wi-Fi is not available in our area, so maybe we go with Dito.
Maybe we'll try Dito. I'm doing everything I can to not go with Starlink. Don't like the high monthly charge of that, but we may be forced to do that. I mean, they've got a half price sale, but
I hope we have smart PLDT Smart in our area.
Yeah, that's what we're hoping. But our number is 1,003, so let's hope we don't have 1,002 people ahead of us. So we're just sitting here waiting.
Yes.
We'll see you after a bit. Well, here we are. We waited all this time to find out that they don't have fiber optics available on our street yet either. Two companies are saying maybe in the future, so we're going to go with Dito. Guys are out there plugging all the holes and grouting and getting it all done. So it won't be long before the pool can continue up. We can get some shock in here and get it clean again. Okay guys, pool's getting filled finally. The lights are out of the little area. So I think this is where we're going to leave you. And we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.